Hi guys. So in today's video, we'll talk about how to create a Gantt chart for a project. Now, let's say you're starting an SEO project, okay, and you want to have a timeline for the different tasks that you need to do. So it's a good idea to prepare a Gantt chart for that. So what you need to do in order to make a Gantt chart is have your dates clearly set out. So you've seen your competitor analysis, keyword research. You know your activities: competitor analysis, keyword research, technical audit, technical optimization, so on and so forth. So for each, you need to have a start date and a due date or an end date. So here it is 1st September 2023 for competitor analysis, and the due date for that is 8th September. Then from 9th September we'll be starting keyword research, and that should finish. Sorry, from not from 9th September, from 3rd September, and on 10th September that will be finished. Then from 10th of September we'll start technical audit, which will go on till 30th of September. So so on and so forth. Now what you need to do is from these dates you need to get your start date and the duration of each activity. So to get the start day for this competitor analysis will be day 0. So what you need to do is select the start date minus again the start date because it's day 0. And what you want to do is for the second selection C3 you want to freeze that. So F4 0, and you can just copy paste it down, select the entire selection and do Control D. So you have your competitor analysis starting on day 0, keyword research starting on day 2, technical audit starting on day 9, technical optimization starting on day 30, SEO on page optimization starting on day 51, off page SEO link building starting on day 10. Now here is what you need to do is calculate the duration of each step. So for that, what we'll do is select the due date minus the start date minus you want to select this one and freeze it as well, start date, and minus the start day also, because you need to know the duration. You don't want to know that it will end on the 9th day of September. You want to know that it will start on the second day and carry on for 7 days, which will incidentally be the 9th. Okay, so remember that that's an important distinction. And you select the start day, so you'll get your result here. And you can just again drag it down, do Control D. So you can see it's competitor analysis starting on day 0 and going on till day 7, uh, going on for 7 days. Keyword research starting on day 2, going on for 7 days. Technical audit starting on day 9, carrying on for 20 days, and so on and so forth. Now, what you do is choose this entire selection, go to insert, and go to chart. Now, by default, I have a stacked bar chart here, which is the chart type that we need, but you may not get that by default. If you don't, then just when you insert a chart, you will automatically get a chart editor as well. Just go to the setup column, setup tab, and choose a stacked bar chart from these selections here. Just stacked bar chart, that's it. And what you want to do is just select this initial color. It's blue for me, it might be something else for you guys depending on your theme. And just go to fill opacity and make it 0. Oh, okay, I selected this single one by mistake. I don't know why it's happening like that. Yep. Ah. Now go to fill opacity 0. Oh. So you can see now we have the duration of each activity, the starting point and the duration of each activity. Okay. You can change the color for the duration. Let's make it like it blue. Okay. So that's what you want to do. And yeah, you have other options to customize. What I would recommend is since it can get a little complicated to figure out the stuff here, you know what I would recommend is whatever you want to change, just double click on it. Here, you if you want to change this color, you've got your series. If you want to change the axis labels, then just double select on that vertical axis. You got your selection. You can change the font size however you want. If you want to change the you know axis title, Just you can do so here. Please, let's say, and in font size, make it 20, bold, italics. Italics is one, and you can change the color as well. Mm. So that's it. This is your chart. It's ready. You can stretch it out whichever way you like. If you're going to copy it to a Word doc, to a PPT, it'll copy like an image. So it's better if you make the aspect ratio as you want here, because you won't be able to change it there. So stretch it out, whichever way you like. Change the width and height of the chart, and then copy it and paste it into your Google Docs or your Word doc or anything like that. Mm. All right. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.